Alright, let's look at the homework 5.2, problem number 8. Alright, so we have derivative p is given with respect to x. So we take the antiderivative to get the original function p. Alright, so let's do that. So p of x is going to be antiderivative of this given function derivative. So e to the x plus 6 e to the negative 6x over quantity e to the x minus e to the negative 6x raised to the third power. Right? So with respect to x. Right? So our substitution is going to be the expression inside the parentheses on the bottom. So that's going to be the u. Right? So let's let u be e to the x minus e to the negative 6x. Right? Then take the derivative of the substitution equation. Du over dx is equal to derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Right? Derivative of e to the negative 6x would be negative 6, so positive 6 e to the negative 6x. Right? Then we can put it upside down, dx over du, which is going to be 1 over e to the x plus 6 e to the negative 6x. Right? Then we can multiply through by du to isolate dx. So dx is du over e to the x plus 6 e to the negative 6x. Right? So this is going to be, alright, so we have an integral. So we have, I'm going to leave e to the x plus 6 e to the negative 6x as it is. And on the bottom is a u cubed. Right? Then dx, we just found out that it's equivalent to du over e to the x plus 6 e to the negative 6x. Right? And you can see that those guys cancel out. Alright, then what you get is simply, I don't like 1 over u cubed. I'm going to write it as u to the negative 3 power du. Right? By power rule, add 1 to the power, so it's negative 2. Then divide by negative 2 plus some constant c. Right? So we can write this guy as, right? So it's a negative 1 over, right, 2. Then you have a substitution is e to the x minus e to the negative 6x, right? So negative 2 power, so it's going to be a square on the bottom, right? Then plus some constant c. Right? So let's type it in. We got 1 over 2 times quantity e to the x minus e to the negative 6x squared plus some constant c. Right? Let's check the answer. Ooh, let's see. Maybe I did something. Right? Right. I'll double check. All right. I think I forgot to put the negative sign, so negative. Alright, how about that? Alright, got that? Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.